What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a paid Discord server using Whop. So creating the paid Discord server is useful for people who want to give their followers on Discord like paid content. So you may want to activate subscriptions, paid server for exclusive content, and so much more. Now the first thing you want to do is to go to whop.com, sign up with a free account. It's pretty easy. Now go to the hub. And first make sure on Discord that you have a server. In my case here, I have a test server that I have set up here, and I will add the Whop, or I will make it paid with Whop. So this is the test server. Okay, in Whop here, once you are redirected to the hub or open the hub, create new. I just named it test. And in the category, select whichever category you are in, let's say fitness, and then next. And now your Whop is created. Now all you want to do is to add the Discord app to your Whop here. So click on add apps here, and now you want to search for Discord. Okay, this is the Discord app, add app, and here you should connect your Discord. It will allow here you should allow access to the test server that we will make paid. Continue. Okay, authorize. Okay, are you human? Yes. And that's pretty much it. Now you're connected to Discord. So I need to go to my server and drag the Whop bot to the top. To do so, go to server settings from here, and then go to roles and drag the Whop bot to the top here. So it is the top one. Now save changes. Okay, refresh roles. And seems like it takes some time to update. Now in the meantime here you can set up here the settings, adding channels, selecting roles that you want, and adding cancellation actions.